Which driver or speaker manufacturer, either now or in the past, do you most respect and why?
That's a good question. It's a good question because I don't necessarily have a vivid memory of one particular designer or manufacturer, but I will say this, that certainly in my early days, Wharfedale were the speaker manufacturer of choice in the budget I got, and so the Wharfedale Diamond series comes to mind the most, and that's the one that there's a very much a sort of a tonality to it which I really enjoyed, and it would be fair to say that that's the manufacturer that sticks in my mind the most. No particular designer, but certainly in terms of finished product, it will be Wharfedale.
Was that because of a particular technical aspect, or just based on the sound of them?
Down to the sound of the thing, really. Oh, and one of the great things about the early sound, I mean, I'm 60 years of age, so I always remember as a kid growing up, the radio and the vowel sound or tube sound for those guys and girls that were into music overseas, and there was a very distinct analog tone to it, particularly warm. Nothing like the sort of digital sounds we're used to today, or the sort of artificiality of sound we're used to today. Then the BBC had the sort of type of voiceover that was very soft, gentle, rhythmic, and that type of sound today is still very attractive to me, and I think probably to a lot of people actually. It's a very natural sound, and that's what I remember the most.